Hi guys, well pakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ba mag-setup from the basic to advanced ng Facebook ads structures and also funnels, no? So ganito lang yon guys, katulad itong nasa screen kung titingnan natin, no, which is high performing campaign kami, which is June 21, no? Was it date to day? Kung titingnan nyo yan, ayan, so which is naka-receive kami more than 36 inquiries sa isang campaign. Kaya kung papansin ninyo, and the higher level is 21 to 54 pesos, no? So eventually advanced conversion po ang tawag dito. So ayan, so for example, pag nag-setup ka ng campaign, so dapat is meron kang funnels and structures na sinusunod. So katulad nito, we have multiple ad set 3, 1, 2, 3, and we have multiple ads na rin, no? So paano mo ba sisimulan para maging high performing campaign ka na katulad nitong video na ito, no? So dito, so totoo lang, to be honest, hindi porket nag-boost ka, running ads ka, is makukuha mo yung perfect algorithm. So from here is kailangan marunong ka mag-skill. Paano ba mag-skill? Skill which is kung paano mo i-off yung ads mo or yung ad set mo during running ads campaign, no? So meron pong strategies at ginagawa dito. Basically, dapat alam mo kung paano yon gawin. So paano ba? For example, we have creating and multiple ads, no? So katulad nito, ito yung ating campaign structures. I have created for 1 ad set and 2 and 3 ad set, but in different creatives, no? Let's say kasi we have shared for 60% creatives to your ads campaign. So dapat sa first ad set pa lang, meron ka lang plan na creatives na gagamitin dito. Kasi dito mostly nanggagaling yung eye-catching na tinatawag ng ating ads, no? So for example, the first ad set is video, like yung katulad na sa TikTok, ng mga ganun, mga short video lang na naka-portrait, no? So yun, pwede yun. At least dalawang sample na gano'n ang gawin mo. Right? And the next is 2 creatives photo naman, no? Para at least may basihan ka about versus dun sa video. So number 2 is photo naman yung ilagay mo na creatives, which is yung creatives na yun, meron siyang mga nakalagay na yung details niya, no? So yun, dapat is eye-catchy rin yung dating niya, no? And the size is 10 by pwede siyang 10 by 80 and 10 by 80 is required, na yun is maraming placement na rin na pwede niyang paggamitan, diba? And the ad set 3 is like katulad ng mga video naman na IG, Instagram, yung mga ganun, portrait din. No, pwede rin naman na kahit landscape, subukan mo rin. But very important is kompleto ka nun, no? Para at the same time maramdaman mo yung different ng tatlong ad set kung sino yung nagpe-perform, no? But in 3 days, make sure na makita mo na yung result dito kung sino yung nag-performing ad set dito. I-off mo lang yung ad set after 3 days. Ito, no, after 3 days, kung papansinin mo, yung ad set number 2 is siya yung nag-perform talaga, which is maraming nag-inquire, marami ka nakuhang sales, no? So all we have to do is just duplicate your ad set, no? So duplicate mo lang yung ad set mo, katulad nito. Halimbawa, andito ka na. So from here, ito yung ad set level. Ang gagawin mo lang dyan is i-off mo tong not performing ad set 1 and ad set 3, no? So i-off mo lang siya. So ang gagawin mo dito, si ad set 2, which is siya yung talagang nagbigay ng sales and performance sa'yo, all you have to do is just duplicate the ad set number 2. Alright? Kasi the more na siya yung pakita ng magandang result ng ad set na to, so possible pag dinuplicate mo siya is ganun din yung ibibigay niya, but basically not 100%, ha? Like I said, not 100%, but at least meron ka ng winning ad set na tinatawag, no? So you can duplicate here, another one, and existing campaign duplicate. Alright? So pag na-duplicate mo na yan, of course, papalitan mo rin yung kanyang ad creative dito, no? So pag once na napalitan mo na yung ad creative, ang ganun lang guys, yung gagawin mo kung ikaw ay nahihirapan makakonvert ng ads, no? So from here, we have 18 placement. Dito, makikita mo, ayan, eto meron tayong feeds, video stories, reels, of course, marketplace kasama din, and Instagram Explorer. So, ganun karami yung pagpapakitaan ng ating ads dito. Alright? So, kung gusto mong matutunan to, just message me or PM me direct message na at the same time is mas lalo mo siyang maunawaan at maintindihan. By the way, I'm Coach Errol pala from One Marketer at your service. Hope na marami kayong natutunan. Just message me lang and I'll give you the best spot for you. Alright? We'll see you again.